Welcome back. Mining independent people have called for Goa Bandh on the eve of inaugural of IFFI. They have urged the CM to take immediate steps to preempt any crisis that could arise due to a probable ban on mining exports. They held a morcha at CM's residence at Madgaon on Thursday, but they are not happy with CM's reaction.
A group of mining-dependent people comprising of truck owners, barge owners, mining machinery owners, transport contractors and panchayat members of various areas from the mining belt took out a morcha at Chief Minister's Margaon residence on Thursday evening. They met with the Chief Minister but were not happy with the interaction with him. They have now called for Goa Bandh on the eve of IFFI inaugural.
8 पंचायतीन म्युनिसिपालिटीन पब्लिक अपील्स केली कांय इफेक्ट जालो ना म्हणून आज सगळे परतून येवन परतून चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळ्ळे आनी ताका एक टायम फ्रेम मागलो ताजे कडेन की बाबा तूं हे कितले दिसान करता तर आमकां कांय कसलेच एश्योरन्स जायना तो सांगता की आमी तुजे बरोबर आसा म्हणून पूण आमच्या खातीर ताणें ह्या 1 म्हयनो 2 दिसांक कुस्कुटाचें काम केलें ना. वी हॅव ऑल डिसायडेड टू क्लोज गोवा ऑन 22nd so that the entire world sees what is the need of or the importance of mining in Goa.
They have appealed to the Chief Minister to ensure that the economy of Goa is not adversely affected by any crisis in the mining industry that can lead to huge and uncontrolled unemployment problems.
27 सप्टेंबर 2011 पळय ताणें इल्लीगल ऑर्डर जी पास केल्या ओल्ड डम्प शिफ्ट करची न्ही म्हणून ती जायजार रिवोक कर कारण ती रिवोक केली ना जाल्यार कितलेशे ट्रकवाल्यांक कितलेशे बार्जवाल्यांक काम कमी जाता अर्धे काम जाता ती ऑर्डर इल्लीगल. दुसरो प्रश्न आशिल्लो आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन की वायल्ड लायफ बफर झोन पळय जो आसा तो 10 किलोमिटरचो बफर झोन आसा तो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक वचून बसून एंटायर कॅबिनेट मिनिस्ट्री वचून बसून तांचे म्हऱ्यान कंटिन्युअस तांकां एम्फसायज करून सांगून 0 बफर झोन करून घे 0 किलोमिटर बफर झोन करून घे. आनी तिसरो प्रश्न आशिल्लो चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन मागिल्लो आमी की ताणें शाह कमिशनाची पर्सनल भेट घे आनी ताका ह्या मायनिंगाचेर गोंयाचेर कितले लोक जगतात डेली आपली रोजी रोटी चलयता हें पटोवन दी म्हणून.
A reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Goa Mukti Suvarna Mahotsav Lok Samruddhi Yatra is now travelling through South Goa. Congress has treated this yatra as a best opportunity to criticize the opposition party. They are also giving a balance sheet of the development carried out during their tenure in the state.
Goa Mukti Suvarna Mahotsav Lok Samruddhi Yatra of Congress travelled from Shiroda, Sawadde and held a meeting at Kutsade. Congress didn't leave a single chance to criticize the BJP. The Yatra, organized on the backdrop of 50 years of liberation of state, is being used as a platform to criticize opposition party and start campaigning for the forthcoming assembly polls.
Officer अशी पळताले टॅप 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 म्हणजे कितें तो शिस्तप्रिय अशें म्हणनी तो एक टेरर एक हिटलर ह्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान ऑफिसर पळयताले. अशे तरेचें वातावरण आसप हे खंयच्या राज्यांतले योग्य आसा काय कितें हें पळोवपाचें. प्रायम मिनिस्टर जावपा खातीर यात्रा अशी स्वताच्या स्वार्थी एक मनशा खातीर यात्रा करपी भाजप पक्ष स्वता तांकां लज दिसपा जाय की अशी एक सादी कारणां खातीर यात्रा काडटात. आमी यात्रा काडटात लोकांक मेळपा खातीर लोकां कडेन संपर्क सादपाची म्हणून ह्या 2 यात्रे मदलो हो फरक आसा.
Yatra travelled to Kepe where senior citizens were felicitated by Congress leaders. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik, GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar and other Congress leaders participated in the Yatra. Later on Friday, Yatra travelled through Naveli and Varka. On Saturday, it will move to Fatorda and Madgaon. A public meeting will be held at Loya Maidan on Saturday. The Yatra, which started on 14th November at Patradevi, will culminate on the eve of IFFI inaugural in the capital city. Our reporter from Kutsade and Kepe, Mayur Naik.
Malaria workers' fast has entered 10th day. Members of the opposition party and ruling party have been visiting the venue giving assurance, but their demands are still unfulfilled. Health condition of more than 20 people has worsened. Meanwhile, sources have hinted that 67 workers will be inducted only after formal interviews.
10 days are over. Malaria workers have been sitting outside the health department demanding regularization of their services. There are around 67 workers agitating day and night. Small children and family members are also seen at the venue. Health condition of more than 20 people has worsened.
आमकां ती फकत आश्वासन नाका, फकत सहानुभूती नाका, आमकां कितें तो ठोस निर्णय जायो आनी त्या खातीर आमी तेंचे कडेन मागता जर तांकां शक्य जाता तर तेंचे जाता ते बेगीन तेंच्यांनी मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन तशेंच कन्सर्न मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलोवन आमचे जो कितें अन्याय जाता तो पयस करच्या निर्णय घेवचो आनी आमची जी मागणी आहा ती ताबडतोब पुरी करची अशें आमी तेंचे मागता.
These 67 workers have been on contract since 1996. In 2009, permanent posts were created for them, but 65 new workers were recruited. Sources say majority of them are from Health Minister Vishwajit Rane's constituency. Only 11 workers from the 1996 batch were regularized. Sources say that these 67 workers will be inducted only after conducting formal interviews. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
A computer system from Voters Facilitation Center at Vasco was dropped on Thursday night. The system contained a huge data of new voters from Murgaon. However, the clerical staff of the Murgaon Mamladar's office says that the data is available online. Vasco police are investigating the case.
One computer system from the Voters Facilitation Center at Murgaon Mamladar's office was stolen on Thursday night. It was surprising that robbers stole a desktop of one of the systems and a CPU and a keyboard of another system. This center is set up by the Election Commission. The able Karkun Dashrath Gao says that the data is available online and as such will not create any problem to the center. However, he said that the storage of one system will delay the assigned work.
Voter Facilitation Center, that center has been appointed by Election Commissioner, and computer also that Election Commissioner has given, and that form number 6, then 7, 8, 8, those are the feeding has been going on, and that summary revision of 2012, and it is a time-bound work, and work should be completed within this month only. And right now that work has been hampered because that stolen the computers and CPU.
This center is just opposite to the Treasury office. When our reporter Surendra Matkaikar investigated the matter, he realized that there was no police personnel guarding the Treasury office at night. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.